Hey guys, I'm Rita. In today's episode, I will show you how you can add a product item on accounting. To record product item, you need to go to item section, click on new item, and select type product. Add a name. In my case, I will have candy bar or chocolate bar. Select category. You can select from one of already available, or you can create a new category here. It's quite simple, just add a name and you can select color. Okay, so in my case it goes under food. Description, you can specify quantity and you can specify maybe what kind of type of this product it is. So I will say hazelnuts. Okay. Under billing, if you make yourself, you can deselect purchase information from here. In that case, you do not, if you by mistake will select this product, there will be no defaulted price. If you purchase and resell it, then add a purchase price here and sales price here. If there is tax involved, you can add one of already preset taxes, what you would add in the system, or add a new tax by clicking new tax here. Once you have added information, click save. Okay, here is our product. We can edit, we can duplicate this item and also delete. In this episode, I showed how you can add a product item on accounting. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my accounting tutorial and review. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.